Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be looking at this WSKEN screen protector for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. And I did review and install one of these screen protectors before on the channel a couple weeks ago, and that is the one with the big roller installation tray that was very, very easy, and I've been using these ever since. And after I did that video, they happily sent out one of their privacy screen protectors as well. So that is what is on now. I'm not doing another installation of this one because it is the exact same process of that previous video. It's just a privacy screen protector. So if I turn the phone to the side here, you can see it almost looks like the phone is off. So if somebody were sitting beside you, they won't be able to see your phone screen. They won't be able to glance over and see what is on it. It doesn't do it for top to top, so you have pretty good range of motion here for your phone. If you're looking at it up above, or depending on how you're holding it, you can kind of still hold it. However, but if somebody was off to the side, trying to get you a good example of that with the camera, but if somebody was off to the side there, you can see it does make it very, very hard to see, and pretty much nearly impossible to see actually. So very, very nice screen protector. The only one complaint I have, which you can't really tell on camera, is in person the tint on this screen protector does make the screen a little bit darker. I have the brightness almost maxed out here, and it is just a little bit too dark for my liking. So that is just one thing to take into consideration. It does appear to darken the screen just a little bit, even if you're looking at it straight on. Not to the point where it distorts anything. It literally just kind of makes it darker, like if you were looking through a tinted window basically on a car. It's just not as bright outside. Basically, the screen's just not as bright. There is a little cutout here for the camera, so the camera is not affected by any of the privacy functionality or anything like that, so your camera doesn't get distorted or anything like that. It is completely cut out, which is good. But everything else is very, very nice. It works. It was very easy to install, just like the other one that I had on here, which is just the regular clear glass. So I will leave a link to this down in the description, where you can pick one up on Amazon if you need some privacy for your S24 Ultra. I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. As always, have a great day.